Hey there! Welcome back to Bountiful Homestead. Today we're diving into a common issue for us chicken keepers: mite infestations. I've gathered some effective and natural methods to tackle this problem, ensuring our chickens stay healthy and happy without using harsh chemicals. First up, Diatomaceous Earth, or DE for short. I am actually using this on one of my buff Orpingtons currently to treat mites, and I'm having success with it. Pretty much any feed store carries it. I get mine from Tractor Supply. This non-toxic powder can be a game changer. Sprinkling DE around your coop and on your chickens can help dry out and kill mites. Just remember, it's important to use food-grade DE and apply it carefully. Next, let's talk about herbal dusting powders. Combining herbs like lavender, mint, and rosemary with some DE or kaolin clay creates a natural repellent. Dusting your chickens and coop with this mix not only smells great, but also keeps mites at bay. Essential oils are another great option. Mixtures of tea tree, lavender, and eucalyptus oil, diluted with water and a bit of dish soap, can make an effective spray. It's great for direct application on your birds and around their living spaces, targeting those hard-to-reach spots where mites hide. Regular coop maintenance is crucial too. Cleaning and sanitizing with natural solutions like vinegar and water, enhancing coop ventilation, and allowing sunlight in can significantly reduce mite populations. A clean coop is your first line of defense. Lastly, nature has its own pest control. Introducing natural mite predators, such as certain bird species or insects like ladybugs and lacewings, can help control and reduce mite numbers around your coop. Here at Bountiful Homestead, we believe in taking a natural and sustainable approach to poultry care. These methods not only promote the well-being of our chickens, but also support a healthier environment on our homestead. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on keeping your homestead thriving. Thanks for watching.